what's going on, guys? Jingshi, and today we're going to be playing some more Fortnite Battle Royale, guys. And today I have a couple of friends with me. I have Thomas, I have Adarsh, and I have Ismail. So we're just going to be playing normal squads. And yeah, okay. So where are we going to go?
Lazy Lake.
Lazy? Okay, lazy. Can we try to get our victory royale? Can we get a victory royale?
Yeah, I swear I'll build so much.
Man, we have to get a victory royale. We have to get
that's the video. If we get 3 victory royals today, it's amazing.
Yeah, it will be amazing, but I don't know if we can get 3 victory royals at once. But we'll try our best. We'll try our best.
Yeah, we'll try.
Yeah, okay. So we're going to Lazy Lake. Yeah?
Yeah.
We're going to Lazy Lake.
Everybody that's it.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna be. Everyone, waymark Lazy Lake. Waymark Lazy Lake so that no one loses their path. Okay? Everyone, waymark Lazy Lake. Did everyone do it?
What are you doing?
Yeah, everyone did. Okay, I'm going for the big building. Anyone else coming with me? Anyone else coming with me?
I'm going to split up. I'm not going for the long building.
I'm going for lazy. Okay, everyone, don't jump right now. Don't jump right now. Jump at authority and then go to lazy.
900 meter. Is it correct?
Okay,
Jump now.
Jump. Okay, everyone, go straight to lazy, okay? As Adarsh told, it's 900 meters. Okay. Oh shit.
Put your glider.
Really low.
Put your glider.
I'm really low.
Put your glider.
Man, I'm
Yeah,
really low.
I reached.
I'm really low.
Or go to the whirlpool.
Where's the whirlpool?
Back of you.
Oh, okay. Everyone go to whirlpool.
I'm not going to whirlpool, but I may die here.
Where's the whirlpool?
Mine is when I'm stuck. Guys, I reached.
Oh, the whirlpool is there.
Yeah.
Just waypoint it and then I'll come there.
That's why morning was very good.
Everyone waypoint it. Anyone waypoint it. I want. Okay, no problem. I'm in.
Somebody shooting.
One down.
Somebody shooting. One down.
I have to be careful.
Who's shooting?
We will put face.
I just got a flare gun.
I got a launch pad.
Shoot it.
I got a launch pad.
It reveals enemies. Fine. Yeah, one is here.
Okay, I got a weapon. Finally, I got a weapon. Oh, I see the guys. I see the enemies. Oh, Richu.
I'm coming.
Someone go and help him. I'm not near him.
Hello?
Go down. Okay, let's see. And there are no. Oh, okay. There's a chest here. Fast, everyone. Fast.
Hello? I'm creative.
Man, shut up.
No creative, man. Creative is ban.
Okay.
Ban you, okay?
Okay.
Block it.
Are there any more enemies?
Here, two.
Two enemies.
I'm dead. Heal me. There's a guy in this building. He's coming down. Thomas, this window. Thomas, this window. This window.
Where is that
Go
guy?
and get inside. Oh, everybody get inside. Come inside the building, okay?
Which building?
Wait 1 second.
I have a
1
medkit.
second,
I have
I
a
will-
medkit. I have a medkit.
Now see. Here they are. Here.
Okay. Everyone go and shoot him. Everyone go and shoot them. Oh shit. That guy's making me run. He's dead.
Shit. Heal me. Heal me fast. Go heal him. Someone who's near him. There's a guy over there. I need a medikit.
I have it.
One guy I can see.
I have it. I have a medkit. I'm coming up. Be right there. I have a small potion also. Where are you?
Yeah, take.
Okay. I have a small potion.
Take the med. See there. He's there. Front of you. Wanna attack him? See who are medkit, I'm low. Nice. 3 kills.
Adarsh, that's a small shield down there. Come here. Come, that's a small shield.
Small shield.
Yeah, it's right here.
Can someone give me sniper ammo?
Right here.
Take the party private and
Take it. Nice. Okay. Adarsh, we just keep on shooting that. We just find more enemies.
Wait, let me shoot the thing.
Anyone? Man, it's flaming.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay. Anyone nearby?
Does anyone have sniper ammo? I have. Come here.
Okay.
Come here. Oh, someone just joined our party, I think. He left also. Yeah. Who has the sniper ammo? Thomas here. Yeah, this blue mark. Not sniper, I said sniper ammo. Oh, then I don't have.
I need lots of mats, guys. I have zero mats.
There is place.
Not like full zero, I mean like I have 0 mats.
Bro, player.
Wait.
Oh, shit.
Where?
Yeah, I killed.
Oh, there's a bolt action. Anyone wants that? Someone waymarked it. Don't get it.
How many? Shake him down.
Yeah, we can find his team members. If they're dead, we can't find them. You know they're dead.
That squads are finished.
Man, there are epic weapons here, man. Anyone wants to go and take it?
Who is sniper?
That's a sniper right here.
Not sniper ammo.
Okay, yeah, did you shake him down?
Adarsh, do you have sniper ammo? No, man, I don't have. Let me see. No, I don't have.
Okay.
Show the full area, you'll find. Hey, where are you, Thomas? Is this?
Ooh, that's a blue tack here.
Thanks.
Is there a guy?
Find small that thingies. That ammo boxes. Find ammo boxes.
Find chest also. Maybe you can get something useful.
Yeah. Yeah, I was going there and due to kids.
Oh, you wanted the big pot?
Yeah. No need. Yeah, I just need one thing. You have the small pot, anybody? Mini. Who want medkit?
He.
I don't want medikit.
He's already like he already took that. He's not full.
Who wants sniper ammo? Who wants sniper ammo?
Are we going from this area?
Thomas, do you want sniper ammo?
No, I don't want.
Oh shit.
That's me.
Okay. Okay, everyone, let's go. I think we looted enough, right? Anyone wants any more?
Man, I need an assault rifle.
I have a green assault rifle, but there's only one, so I can't. Oh, I'm glitching. Okay.
Assault rifle in that house, I think so. Yeah, in that house.
Green color.
Yeah.
I need a lot of iron. I mean, like, oh, it's right here.
Yeah.
You marked it? Okay, thanks. Let me come and take it. The marauders will come, man.
Yeah, man. Marauders.
Marauders will not come every time. Yeah, I need that. Yes. Oh, I took it.
Oh, that's a green assault rifle here. Adish, you want that?
I found it.
Okay.
You don't have a big pot.
You got.
Huh?
Come, you have to go for the next circle. You have to turn for the next circle.
Okay, let's
Anyone has a
go.
big pot?
Let's go then.
Bro, does anyone have
I
a
just
big
get
pot?
200.
No.
Yeah, okay. Let's go to the next circle. Everyone go to the next
Where are
circle.
we going instead of the zone? There's a
What
drop.
the heck is this?
Okay, everyone, go to the next. Wait. Did you find a whirlpool?
Hey, people!
Are they bots? Wait, let me just go and kill them. I'll try to kill them.
Hey, you can.
Yeah, that guy's dead. Hey, I need his stuff. I killed him, man.
Even I also killed him.
Hey,
Not
man.
only you.
Man, please give it.
What?
What do you
I
mean?
didn't take. I just took this Ramos. I took also Amos.
Someone took a gun. Someone took a blue submachine. I know that.
Hey, there's a pistol
I
here.
swear I don't have.
Hey, somebody take a chug splash, man.
Shark splash.
I need.
Oh, hey guys, we have to go. Hey, Richu, wait, man. Be right there. Hey, Adesh, come.
I'm just
Let's go.
riding.
We have to go.
Hey, let's go.
Hey, everyone go to the boat.
Just stop.
Okay, I'm going.
Hey, come.
Let's go. Thomas, come.
Where's Thomas?
Thomas is gone already in the circle. He's
Where?
already in the circle. Go. Richu, go.
Hey, go fast.
Go fast. Turn. We're going. Yeah, take Thomas.
Whoa.
It was glitching.
Shit.
Holy crap. We're dead. I'm glitching and we're dead.
Okay, I'm helping you, bro.
I'm dead. I'm glitching a lot. Holy crap.
Okay, yes.
I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead.
I'm coming.
Oh, I got a mythic weapon, bro. Only mythic.
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm running. Guys, someone just carry me. Someone carry me. I'm going to die. Someone carry me.
Or not.
Yeah, I'm dead. I was glitching a lot, guys.
1 minute. Hey, give me the boat. Give me the boat. Give me the boat. Hey, Thomas, can you come?
Come.
Thomas, can you come?
Tip top,
Yeah,
you need this.
he can.
Tip top, you need this.
Here.
Guys, I'm going to
You
die.
just
Take that.
I'm going to die.
Let me revive. Wait, man. Don't run.
Okay.
There you are. Okay. When you revive me, Sonic.
Okay, somebody go. Let's go for the next circle. Everybody sit.
Hey, wait. Let me just heal up. Anyone have a any small potion or thing? Anything?
Do you have medkit?
I have medkit. Yeah, okay, everyone go.
How much?
Can you give me one medkit? Anyone?
Okay, I'm in. Go.
Come in. Yeah, let's go.
Someone give me.
Here, players.
Oh shit. I'm so dead.
I'm dead. I'm so dead.
Oh no!
I was glitching. Oh, they had a epic Boss assault rifle, man. Man, next time we are not going on a ship, okay? I mean this. What is that called? A boat, because I glitch a lot and I die. That's why. No, man.
Oh.
Yeah, no problem.
The authority.
No problem. Let's
Blaze,
victory again. I think we can get at least one victory royale. Oh, those guys are so dead. No? Oh, they have a launch
We got
pad.
a Misty with us.
Man, we should have launch pad, man. I have a launch pad. I had a launch pad.
We got a Misty with us.
Misty.
Misty with us.
Man, Misty is kinda hard, man. Okay, you know what? We're going to Misty. We'll go to Misty. Okay, everyone. Misty. Next target is Misty. Okay, guys?
Misty is good.
Yeah, okay. I think this video is gonna be a full glitch video.
What video?
Man, YouTube.
Yeah.
Putting in YouTube. Okay,
Yeah.
introduce me.
Hello, guys. This guy is mine.
Hello guys, I am pro. But I
He's-
don't have the battle pass, that's a big problem.
Guys, he's so weird, guys. He's super
Somebody
weird.
have to give.
He's super
somebody
weird,
have-
guys. He's super weird.
Banana.
Look at that. Okay, everyone go to Misty. Way market. This time at least we can get a victory, right? I think we have to go to the circle very early, right?
Hey, right? What right?
We have to go to the
Then you have
circle
to
very
build
early.
this time. I'm going to build. This time I was taken by surprise. I didn't know also.
Okay, everyone, jump while I say to jump, okay? Not now.
Jump now, 900 meter jump. 900 meter jump.
I'm going to make it to a house. Many people are dropping on Misty, so be careful.
Okay, sir. Shit.
What?
1,000 people are there, man. Almost 1 or 2 squad.
Man, no problem. We try to get the victory. I mean, maybe we will not be able to do it, but we have a chance.
Hey, come to this place, bro. Disco. Oh yeah, I got a launch pad.
Nice. I have only one hunting rifle. That's it.
I have a submachine gun.
I have a submachine gun.
I'm a DJ, bro. Disco.
Ooh, that's a.
Shut up, man.
Disco. What disco?
This place. No, ma.
Oh, it's up there. I got a chuck splash, so everyone come towards me. We'll chuck splash.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, call me that. I'm the best sir in the world. Yeah, everyone come. I'll just chuck splash.
Hey, help, man.
What happened?
One guy here.
Oh.
No, one guy knocked me.
Yeah, okay.
He's healing. He's going to heal.
Where are you? Oh shit, that guy's shooting.
Kill him up. Here. The yellow mark.
Holy crap, I'm glitching.
Not near me. Thomas. No, Richu. Thomas, come here.
Oh, I see you.
Richu Thomas.
Is that guy? Is that
He's
guy
going to
dead?
kill him. He's
Is that
going to
guy
kill
dead?
him. No, he's going to die. He's going to die. Come here. Somebody come.
Okay,
There's a
I'm
guy
coming.
over here. Kill him. He's healing. Fast, here. Shoot him.
I shot him. Yeah, I shot
Yeah,
both of them.
heal me now. Heal me.
No! Yes, I'm healing! Yes!
Oh, yes.
Oh my god!
Yes.
Man, you were so close to die. I have a medkit, no
One guy's
problem.
coming.
I have a medkit.
Oh, shit.
Take it.
Hey, there's a guy coming. Okay, there's a guy coming. I'm really saying there's a guy coming. I saw him.
You were about to die, man. You were so close to die.
Whatever. I didn't die anyway, thank God.
Yeah, thank God. Whatever. Okay.
That guy somewhere. Okay, give me that small shield potion, please. Oh, thank you.
Oh man, I shouldn't have.
Someone
attacking
the shark.
Wait, no. No problem. Okay.
That is
Guys, don't mind because I'm going to glitch.
What is this?
Okay?
Teamwork.
Don't mind.
There are players. Where are the players?
Where? There are no players.
Somebody is shooting. Come. You're shooting, man. And the one, his teammate is not dead.
I killed a squad, I think so. I think I killed a
Oh,
squad.
legend. Legendary chest.
What?
If I got an assault rifle.
A scar, right?
Assault rifle.
It's a scar.
What?
It's a
Yeah,
scar,
it's a scar. You
right?
can see it.
Oh, nice.
Somebody, I have full
I have a
health.
better weapon.
No. Who needs that? Somebody needs that. No, right. Give me that shield potion.
Okay.
Anyone has AR ammo?
Yeah, I have, but I don't want to share it because I have very low AR ammo. That's why.
You have to do teamwork, man. Why you will not share?
I know, man, but I have really low. What shall I do?
How much you have?
I have like 84 only.
AR is assault rifle, right?
What?
Assault rifle, bro. Yeah, come here. I'll give you 40. Is it enough? 40 or 40?
Enough are you saying? It's more than enough. What are you saying? You have little bit.
Oh,
Come,
it's
Thomas,
more than
here.
enough for
Come
him.
down. You are up.
It's more than enough for him.
I don't need. I got some.
I have 120.
At a 40, he's
Down,
asking
down,
40
down,
ammo.
down.
Is it damn low? So how much ammo do you have originally?
Man, you guys are glitching.
Utilize that, bro.
Richu, take this.
You guys are glitching.
Yeah? I can't hear a thing, that's why.
I don't need to. You're glitching. You're glitching. Yeah. My internet is like damn good, you know. I had restarted today. Hey, there's a
Damn
drop
good.
over there.
It's damn good. Your internet is damn good.
Damn
I'm going
good.
towards the drop.
Damn
I'm
good.
going towards the drop. Don't go. There might be people.
Yeah, yeah.
No. Don't go. That's for me. Don't take everything. Keep something. Stop.
Hey, others for me also, man. I have 0 things. Man, please.
No. I will not give. I'll take everything. No. Hey, give me that. Nice. Give me that.
Hey, others, can you share something?
Take it.
Others, can you share
Assault
something?
rifle, man. Worst assault rifle. Give me others. I will kill you.
Hey, others, man.
Give me. Worst assault rifle, golden. Somebody take this.
Give me that. No, give me that, please. I don't have anything, bro. I have a grey assault rifle, please, bro.
I have only that gun. Now don't ask. I have only that gun.
Tip top, give me, man. You're stealing
No,
everything.
top is useless. I have only one gun now. What can I do? Okay, 1 second. Top useless. You have to give me a AR blue or green.
Guys, I upgraded mine.
Does anybody
Guys, I upgraded.
Anybody has a AR, man. If you have a AR, if you have a green AR, I'll give. I need a AR.
There are guys here. Yeah, he's dead. Here's the other guy.
You're stealing my kill, man.
Holy crap!
Shake him down.
He has a
Stealing my
rocket
kills.
launcher. He has a rocket launcher.
Here, somebody
Holy
here.
crap, he shot me and I'm dead.
Here.
Holy crap! Oh my god.
I'm dead.
Oh my god. And I'm dead now.
He's one person.
I'm dead. Oh my goodness.
He's one person, I swear.
Thomas.
Thomas, one guy is there. Kill him.
Thomas.
Shoot, man.
Where
Nice,
is
nice.
this person?
Just collect
He's
a
above
reboot
the
card.
staircase.
Collect a reboot card.
You're dead. See you you're dead.
What? I'm already dead, man. I know.
What? You want in hell? You're hiding. Oh my god, you died one.
We died.
I was killing that guy. I killed 2.
Man, that's a. He killed.
Rocket launcher.
Man, he killed me with a rocket launcher, man. I think so. Man, he has all the loot. He has all
He
the
killed
loot.
like what? She killed like one squad, man.
Man, he also has a firefly jar. The firefly jar. Wait, does he have it? I think he has it.
Okay, I will return to lobby now.
Why?
It's showing like that. Yeah, it's showing like that. I will ready up in lobby.
Hey, Adarsh, ready up. And no one is returning to lobby.
Wait, it
Guys, I'm going to lobby, okay? It's telling like that, that's why. Okay, I'm back at lobby. I'll join from there.
was like glitching, bro. I am ready, so you people be ready.
Guys, I'll be ready in the lobby, okay?
Thomas, where are you? They're in lobby.
Guys, I just returned to lobby and then joined from there. So please.
Where is Tom? Creative one, man. Creative is much better.
Okay, everyone, ready up, ready up.
I am ready. You are not ready.
Now I am ready.
Okay, I'm ready. Yeah, now it will come. Squads only.
Man, a flare gun, man.
Yeah.
I thought you got a flare gun. I never knew that.
Why he was having mythic gun, man? He was having a good gun. He didn't give him. I mean, that mythic is not shotgun or anything. Yeah, but it is not nice. Man, it is not the use for from if somebody is front of you, you don't use. Okay, you use shotgun. I didn't have a shotgun.
Man, that guy shot me with like a purple, I think so. He had a purple shotgun.
Not a shotgun. Two people with a rocket launcher.
Oh, it was two people with a rocket launcher.
She came with me with the rocket launcher. One half and अरे मन क्यों रहा करके दौड़े इधर 1 o'clock only I started.
Okay. Okay, guys. So this video, this video will end at like after this match. I think it will end, right? Yeah, we played enough. That's why.
No.
Oh my God, it's glitching damn bad.
Damn glitchy.
Okay.
I'm a big fan
That
of
was good.
Plaza
That was
Bamboo.
kinda Okay, so after this match, the video will be end. Okay.
For me.
What? Okay, so after this match, the game will be end. I mean, like the video will be end. Where are we landing? Lazy?
Subscribe and turn off the notifications.
Yeah, guys, he's true. You have to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Okay, whatever. Let's. Where are we jumping?
We'll go to Frenzy Farm. Frenzy Farm.
No, we are not going to
Frenzy.
Frenzy. We are going to Salty, right?
Salty.
Man, Ismail, you're really, man. Okay. So guys, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell if you aren't already. Okay, I'm land. Oh, there are so many people here.
Hey, what is the code? Use code DARK644.
No, I'm dead. Bro, I'm dead. Bro, I'm dead. Bro, I'm dead.
Bruh, I'm dead. What is this? That's why did they went to the authority?
This guy's gonna kill me.
Others, are you there?
Man, be careful.
Oh,
Ismail.
I am
There
dead.
are two
okay?
members here.
I'm dead. I swear. Okay, kill me, bro. Kill me.
Run!
I'm taking Shivats
Run!
out. I'm taking Shivats. Yeah.
There's already a guy here.
Oh, shit.
Heal me up. Just heal me.
Get lost, bitch.
Man! Okay, nice.
Oh! Somebody...
Oh! No! Okay. So guys,
Please not subscribe.
make sure you guys subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. And guys, we'll meet you soon. Goodbye.